Okay guys, I'm sorry for not posting, but here's a quick video. I'm gonna be doing a tier rank. So yeah. So right now let's do this. The bat, it's very good because yeah. So right there, umbrella goes to A tier 2. So yeah. Next, I would say bombs. It goes to maybe here because it does way too much cotton. This B. And next, this you could also use with the impulse bomb. So yeah, over here you can hide with everything. This also very good. Maybe for the last one, fireworks and hot cocoa. So yeah, here's my tier rank. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Sorry I didn't post in a long time.